Hey, how's it going? I got a small update to Mini Music Player, a couple bug fixes. One of them is the shortcut keys can now be set. I had set a flag wrong on that, but they now work as they should. And the Mini Music Player, if you chuck it off to the left hand side or up to the top and then close it, it will no longer reappear in a position you didn't expect it to. I've added a couple of small features and improvements to the mini player. So now it will go through. You've got the compact view, and you've got a slightly larger view, and then you've got the full expanded view. Just a little bit more seamless going through those compacts. And you now have a little loop button here. If you want your track to loop, you can click this. If it's green, it's looping. If it's red, it's not looping. And you will also note down in the track list here, you'll see what tracks have got loop assigned to them. And if a track is muted, you'll get the little symbol next to it as well. So just a couple of little features on top of a few bug fixes. I've also reworked the back end of the mini player pretty much from the ground up. So it should be a little bit more responsive. Anyway, thanks for all the feedback. Jump into Discord and Patreon and let me know if there's any features that you want to see edited in. If you find any bugs, let me know. Thanks.